Hello guys, this is the fashion for the matured. This is how you have to look. Not exactly like me, but similar like me for 2021 for the matured. Yeah, you dress to match. You look at the color you want to, you want to combine. Combo color, you combo them, isn't it? So this is how you should look for 2021. Okay, let's drop this handbag first. Okay, I just show you myself, how I take care of myself. Look at my flat tummy. Can you see my flat tummy? You know how many babies that have dropped from this engine? This engine you are seeing here has dropped big men now and big women. But today, the smoothies, go and watch my videos, guys. You see the drink I do, bedtime drink you take before you go to bed. I will flush out all the fats, that will make you look fit and healthy. Eat healthy, keep active, do exercise. Look at me now, look at me. So this is the dressing for the matured people. Look after yourself, guys. See how flat my tummy is. Eat healthy. Reduce your carb intake. Eat healthy. Eat wheat. Food that contains fiber, so that every morning you flush it out in the toilet. Every morning you eat. Drink a lot of water to flush your system, to detox you, to purify you. This is how you should look. 2020, be prayerful. Please yourself, not people. First of all, please yourself before you please people. Don't please people and displease yourself and you go at the corner and start mourning. Don't look like me. Don't copy me, but do similar thing like me. Be yourself. As a content creator, create whatever you are comfortable. Create whatever that makes you happy. Create whatever that you are good at. You are very good at. Do it. Okay? Whatever you are good at, do it. If you want to copy other people, do some twist in their content as well. Put your own twist and create it. There's no problem. Let's love each other. As a YouTuber, we should always go and support each other. Support each other. Okay? I know it's a very challenging one to be a YouTuber, to be a mommy, to be a daddy, to be a housewife, to be a working class lady. Looking after the babies is not easy. But guys, this is how we should look in 2021. Focus on God. Let's look unto Jesus, the author and the finisher of our faith. Sometimes I see them and say, Christ came to this world to die for us and gave us second chance. Now, we have messed up. All of us, including me talking, we have messed up. We have forgotten the death of Christ on the cross of Calvary. He died for us so that His grace will cover us. But now, look at what is happening today. Who is going to die like Christ for us for third time and give us third chance? Who is gonna die? Christ died for us. We didn't appreciate it. Nobody appreciates it today. We are all sinners. We have all sinned. Even me. We are all sin. We say you love your neighbor. You don't love your neighbor. You are always there by biting, jealousy, fighting each other, quarreling. In this time of this year 2021, this year where we have seen what is happening, people don't want to show love to each other. All we want to do is competition. I want to get past you, you want to get past me. There is no love no more in this world. Who will come and die like Christ died for us on the cross of Calvary? Who will take that challenge and rescue us again this third and give us third grace again? Guys, keep praying. Be prayerful. Let's learn how to love. Let's not learn how to hate, please. I'm showing you my flat tummy. That's what I'm showing off. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Guys, this is the trendy look for the matured for 2021. This is how you're gonna look. All those my weight loss drink I've been doing, smoothie. I haven't uploaded some. Yeah, the few that you have seen. This is the outcome of it. Look at my belly. Look, very flat tummy. Look. So this is how you should be looking in this 2020 for the matured. Look. I feel fit. I feel very active. Active. active, 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 active. This is how you should look. Active, 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 active. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, dun. You see the secret? You know the secret? Go and watch my videos and see what I eat, what I drink, my smoothie, my booster drink, to look healthy, to remove all the belly fats. Dun, 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 dun. This is how you should be looking for 2020. Look good to yourself. Look good for yourself. Forget what people are saying. Please yourself, not people. Okay, I please my first before I please people. You can't please people and displease yourself, and you are there mourning. Look after yourself. You know, shine your eyes. Take care of yourself. There are cheap products you can buy to look after yourself. You don't have to be like me. I don't have to be like you. But just be yourself. Focus in whatever you do in life. And be prayerful. And look unto God. Cheers. And thank you for watching. Thank you. And bye.